All right, everybody. Today we are here. Today we are here in front of this. Come on. Sorry about that. This historic building behind me was built in 1921, and it was as you can see up there, it was a Lincoln, Ford and Fordson tractor dealership in my hometown, which is called Mako, in the southeast of Hungary. And the building was restored, I think 2 years ago, for as you can see here. So allegedly it was looking like this exactly in 1921, and after the war it was decentralized by the state. Okay, so this little town got another surprise for us, which is here, 1919 Ford Model T. Okay, so the Model T was started production in 1909 and finished in 1927, and they made 15 millions of them. And what you need to know is the engine is a 3-liter 4-cylinder engine, and they did not have distributors back then. They got 4 individual coils to each of the spark plugs. The front light was, I think it was not carbide. You had to take this one off, put the kerosene. These are kerosene lights. You have to take this one off, fill up with the kerosene, put it back, open it, light it up, and you can adjust or dim it with this. And that thing over there is called the autometer. And this is not, it was an optional. You can buy this, so you can see the temperature of the water from there. And 1919 was the first year. There was a starter for it. You don't have to crank it anymore. And I think this is the touring model, and you can tell this is from the US because there's only one door on that side, so the driver comes in from there. Now another thing, if you look in here, it's very complicated to drive because there is 3 pedal, but not the conventional 3 pedal. The right one is the brake, the left one is the clutch, and the transmission pedal. So it's a 2-speed transmission. There is a low speed and high speed, and the middle one is the reverse clutch. And this one here is the timing, and the other one is the throttle. It's kind of weird to drive this thing, and there is no fuel pump, so it's gravity fed. Gravity fed the fuel to the engine, and it was often problematic to go up on the hill because you just run out of fuel. There were no lights in the rear. This is only a brake light. And as you can see, it is titled and registered, so it's a completely running model. So that's about it. See you next time.